So this is what global warming looks like in Southern California right now. We are
in Beaumont,
California, which is kind of between Palm Springs and like Riverside.
Yeah, we're right in. We're dodging
like
the sunbeams as we sit here.
People out there catching snowflakes in their mouth and videotaping the sky because
they've
probably never seen what is snow. We've never seen snow before.
Not from Montana, but they look like it.
And just a couple days ago, we were over swimming in the pool. This is bizarre. It was actually coming down more the other day. This has been, what, 4 days of this?
Yeah.
Crazy.
It's actually sticking this time.
Yeah, but here we are.
Sunny California.
Sunny California.